A warmer activity is the first stage of a lesson. This is usually a fun activity like a game. In this clip, we will look at how to start a lesson with a warmer. We will identify why and how to use warmers in your classroom. Look at the workbook at Stage 1 Warmers. Complete the before watch activity before you watch the clip. When you are ready, press play to continue. This is Chanchala. We are now going to watch an interesting warmer she uses to introduce the lesson she is going to teach.
We are going to play a game. The name of the game is Slap the Board. Do you know why we play this game? Okay, you will enjoy it. Yes, but we are also playing this game so that we can recall some words which you already know. So 5 girls from this side and 5 from this side, and please make 2 lines over here. Okay. So there are 2 lines. You have to run to the board and you have to slap the words according to my instruction. Only the first 2 girls will run to the board. And this is team A and this is team B. Sindhu will be the scorekeeper. Draw A here and B there. Okay? Ready? So the first word is which we breathe in. Okay. Place where you live. Sony. Okay, next. The word which means cutting off of the trees. Okay. Oh. Good. So team A is the winner. Congratulations to all of you. Go. You are seeing some words on the board, right? Can you find the lesson? Which lesson is related to these words?
Let's watch another warmer activity. This is Shobha's class. What topic do you think she is going to teach after this activity?
We want to play a game before starting the lesson? Yes, ma'am. Do you know what is a spider? Yes, ma'am. Yeah, what? Makdi. Yes. Let me first draw a spider and I'll write a word. What is this word? Environment. Yes. Now what I will do? I will write words related to environment on all these legs. Trees. Any other word? Shikha?
River.
Air. Pollution.
I have made a spidergram of environment. What you have to do, first I will divide the class into groups so that when you play the game it's more interesting for you. ज़्यादा मज़ेदार हो जाए. Okay. So 2 benches will become 1 group. This first, second bench will be 1 group. Third, fourth bench will be 1 group. Now one of you can choose any word you like from this and become your group's name will be that. You choose a word? Pollution. Yes. Okay. You know in which group you are, trees, people, population, okay? Yes. Now what you have to do, I'll give you few sheets and in groups, first of all what you do, you write the group's name in the middle. Suppose you are which group? Population. You will write population over here and circle it. Now have you written the word in the circle? Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now in groups, each one of you take a chance and write any word related to that. You can write as many words as you like, as you know. Okay? Each one of you must get a chance to write. You write 1 word and pass it to her. Start. When you complete, you say bingo. What is it? Wood. Bingo. Which group will come and show their spidergram? Show it. Read it. What words are there?
Flowers, fruits, wood, oxygen, medicine.
Okay, very good. So all of you have made like this spidergrams? Yes, ma'am. One person from each group stand up and paste it on the wall this side. In groups you come and each one group will stand together and see the spidergram, then move to the next one. You stand up and you see other spidergrams. So, just look at it.
Did you like the 2 warmer activities? What did we learn in this section on warmers? It is a good idea to use warmers before starting a lesson. A warmer is usually a fun activity like a game. A warmer motivates learners and gets them interested in the lesson. Now, answer the questions under Video Watch in your workbook. When you are ready, complete the other activities related to using warmers.